Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start our. So we are going to install the TCP dump. So for that, I have already installed this. So what I will do, I will first uninstall this. Sudo apt get remove tcp dump -y. So this will remove my already existing TCP dump, and then I will show you how to install that again. So this is taking a bit of time. Yes, now this has been uninstalled. Let's install it again. So for that, what you need to do is sudo apt get sorry sudo apt get install tcp dump. Yes, now you can see that it is getting installed. So it's done. So we can check whether it is present in our system or not. So for that, you have to type a command which TCP dump. Yes, so it is present under user bin TCP dump folder. Yeah, thank you. Hope you like my video. If you have liked my video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.